Good morning, hope everybody's doing alright. This video is going to be on what exactly do I feed the chickens. It's about 6:30 in the morning, we just let them out the coop. We'll let them out the main run and into the greenhouse side of things. This is really it. Just leave them out for a little while until they stop pecking around. They'll find grass, bugs, everything else. And then we'll go up and see what I supplement them with as well. Excuse me. Always leave out water and some type of pellet ground up food. Usually Purina. And then we'll go and see what other mixtures we have. Okay, we're back. Besides letting them free range and search for bugs and eat grass by themselves, the occasional table straps will go out there, and then as baby chicks, they will get some type of starter food, 20-25% starter food for baby chicks. And then, as you can see, it's mixed in with a lighter material from the local mill here, some grain and ground up things locally. So we'll start them off with this as babies for a few weeks, and as they start to get feathers and develop into bigger chicks, we move along to this, which is a thicker mixture again of some Purina and some of the local mill, the ground stuff. And just keep that in there and give them a couple things a day, a few cupfuls a day throughout the day. I'll throw down some of this product. It's called Super Scratch. They pick through it throughout the day, but it's got sunflower seeds, corn, and all that good stuff in there for them. They're like a good little variety. And then in the feeder, we always keep the large pellets for the adults that are laying. And these are layered food, like rabbit food. And that's really it. That's all we give them. They're on autopilot right now. They do their thing. And they're producing us good eggs. So we'll go down and we'll collect another egg probably this afternoon because they're afternoon layers. They're super excited. There might be an egg in there. They're squawking like crazy. Watch out, use. Watch out. I ain't got nothing for y'all. Back up. I'm coming to check for eggs. And there it is. She squawked and squawked and squawked. And she laid me an egg. And there's the egg. On point, day to day.